Introducing the Hubodometer by Veeder-Root. For use with any transport fleet, having the Hubodometer is crucial in measuring the distance traveled over the lifetime of the tractor-trailer, which can be useful when the trailer needs servicing, or is up for replacement. The fully mechanical Hubodometer is a counting device that requires no wiring or programming. Any operator can install them with a minimum of fuss. The Hubodometer has been around for a long time. As a matter of fact, Veeder-Root invented it. Our difference with mechanical Hubodometers is its quality, and its ability to work with a variety of tire sizes worldwide. Whether a trailer moves forward or reverses, the Hubodometer can also help to calculate a count per tire revolution. The Hubodometer is mounted on the hubcap of the trailer, and rotates with the wheel, except for the mounted weight on the internal shaft. If there is no provision to mount the Hubodometer, Veeder-Root can provide you with a mounting bracket. It doesn't matter which wheel is used. The unit can still function on either side of the trailer. Our Hubodometer is loaded with high-quality specifications, and an operating temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. From trailers that work off-road work in a hot environment, to cold or wet conditions, this Hubodometer will operate. The cover lens on the Hubodometer is molded from UV-resistant GE Lexan polycarbonate, which protects it from wear and corrosion. The unit is also an environmentally controlled sealed unit that is airtight, waterproof, and tamper-proof. Protected and powerful enough to withstand harsh conditions, the mechanical Hubodometer has a unique counterbalance design, which prevents orbiting, even on rough roads. The most attractive aspect of our Hubodometer is its economic viability, and true low-cost tool for any fleet application. It is an efficient method for identifying when a trailer requires maintenance without doing it either too late or too frequently, and that it is performing safely. With our Hubodometer line, we can accommodate any fleet requirement. Well, almost. All that is required is that the end user provide their respective tire sizes so that we can fit the appropriate Hubodometer. Different tire sizes accomplish different revolutions per mile per kilometer. Let us help you in partnering with Veeder-Root for this product.